Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have an administrator account and a simple backup of any configuration or saved files. This protects data before deletion. Once done, close the application and check Task Manager for lingering processes so the uninstaller can run cleanly. Next, find and note the program's install path, often in program files or app data, because you'll need that for manual cleanup later. This early preparation saves time and prevents orphaned files. You now run the official uninstaller. Open Settings Apps or Control Panel Programs and Features, select the program, and choose Uninstall. Make sure to run the uninstaller as administrator so it can remove shared components, follow prompts, and decline bundled extras. Once the uninstaller finishes, navigate to the noted install path and delete leftover folders. Then, use Regedit carefully to remove related keys or run a reliable cleanup tool. This removes traces the uninstaller may have missed. To finish, restart your PC and confirm the app is gone from the Start menu, Task Manager, and Services. Then run Disk Cleanup and optionally a trusted third-party cleaner to clear temporary files and leftover installers. If the program still appears or errors occurred, reboot into safe mode and try the uninstaller again or use the vendor's removal tool. These methods bypass locks and stuck services. If registry edits are needed, export keys first so you can restore them if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.